Hi guys, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. Today I have Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus and I will show you how to take long screenshot on this device. Our first step to do that is from main menu we must navigate to application which support long screenshot. It can be maybe in settings. Something when you can scroll it where you have more information than on one side of screen. When we are on it, we press power key and volume down together at the same time as to make normal screenshot. And after that, we press this icon. And it is adding more information to our screenshot. And after we have all we need, we press there, click on a gallery maybe, and we have it saved in our gallery right now. That's all. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye.